We are living in an ever-changing world. Rapid development in digital technologies has touched almost all businesses. What does it mean for businesses, and how can you benefit from these transformations? Are you ready to capture the new opportunities in the digital economy? IMDA's SMEs Go Digital Programme is designed to make going digital simple for SMEs through sector-specific industry digital plans. Check out how you can use the industry digital plans to kickstart your digital journey. First, understand how digital ready you are using the digital roadmap. Next, based on your digital readiness, you can use the digital roadmap to identify the types of pre-approved digital solutions that are relevant to your business. Need help on what solutions to adopt? Simply reach out to the nearest SME Center for Basic Digital Advisory or be referred to the SME Digital Tech Hub for more advanced digital consultancy. Ready for new growth? You can also participate in digital sector projects led by industry leaders that have the potential to scale and uplift whole sectors. Need in-house experts to help implement digital solutions to reap the full benefits from going digital? You can engage the Digital Project Management Services to achieve sustainable outcomes through business processes re-engineering and job redesign. The opportunities to succeed in the digital economy are endless. So what are you waiting for? Going digital is simple for SMEs with SMEs Go Digital. Start your digital journey today.